Let's learn how to implement the custom input field in the Desku chat widget, so the support agent can receive more information other than name and email. Creating the input field. Let's start by creating a custom input field in your chat widget. First, go to the live chat widget settings in your admin panel. Navigate to the form configuration section and add a new field. You have several field types to choose from. In this example, we'll select a drop-down field to collect the product name from visitors. Set the label for both the agent and the customer. The API name is crucial as it will carry the input data. For drop-downs, radio buttons, and checkboxes, you can enter choices one by one or all at once, separated by commas. This custom field can be used in both the live chat and email chat widgets. Now, whenever visitors initiate a chat, they'll be prompted to enter data as specified. Support agents can view and edit this data in the ticket field section. Taking inputs with hidden field. Sometimes, you need to gather data that's already available to the browser without asking the user to enter it manually. This method is handy for such cases. Note that this is a bit technical, so you might need help from your developer. First, uncheck visibility and editability and set the field to not required so the customer won't see this field when starting a new live chat. Copy the following JavaScript code snippet and paste it where your data comes from the backend. Replace the API key name with the actual key name of your custom field. And replace example text with a static hard-coded or dynamic value from your backend response. This code snippet will pass the given data to the chat widget on load and later send it to the agent when the chat starts.